Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube video on fractional distillation. Well, today we're going to be obviously looking at fractional distillation, just underlining the basics of it. So what is fractional distillation used for? So basically, fractional distillation, as you can see, we have a picture of crude oil here, and it's used to separate crude oil out into its different uses. For example, we have this has a use, this has a use, this is a use, this is a use. Obviously, you don't need to write sort of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and stuff like that. But I've just shown you that just to sort of give you an idea that it's separated out into different uses. So how does this work? You can't just get crude oil and start tearing it apart to get into different uses. And this works basically because crude oil is a mixture of short hydrocarbon molecules and long hydrocarbon molecules, and obviously there is some in between there, medium, ish large and stuff. So obviously the short hydrocarbon molecules will have a lower boiling point, you won't need to boil them, and so the short hydrocarbon molecules have a low boiling point, the long hydrocarbon molecules have a higher boiling point. So for example, you wouldn't need to burn the short hydrocarbon molecule for very long. However, you'd need to burn the long hydrocarbon molecule for obviously longer. But how does this how does this mean that we can do fractional distillation? So just to mop it up at the end, make it a little bit clearer for you, I'm going to go on to this. Quite a nice picture I got it from BBC Bite Size. Okay, let me just pull that down. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a big tube type thing, and basically this side is where crude oil is heated. So crude oil is heated and it's put into this. So as you can see, this is extremely hot. At the bottom we have 350 degrees C. At the top we have 25 degrees C, and we have all these different gases here, and all these different gases is what we can make out of this crude oil. But fractional distillation is the process in which we separate, basically separate these uses of crude oil out. So now let's go back to our long hydrocarbon and short hydrocarbon molecules. I'm just going to move that a little bit there. There we go. So our short hydrocarbon molecules, they're going to go right up to the top here, because they're going to be heated up here, literally, because they're really tiny, they're really small. You're not going to have much area, you're not going to have much to be heating up. So once they've heated up, they're just going to go wee, cool down, and then condense in this part here, and then they will turn into refinery gas. The slightly big ones will be heated. There still won't be that much to heat, but a little bit more. So it will have obviously still a low boiling point. It'll go wee, condense there. Gasoline, which is basically petrol. Gasoline is American for petrol. So that's obviously going to be fuel for cars. And obviously, so if you want to make regicide, which is basically used to make bitumen, which is for roads and roofs, obviously that will have a huge chain of hydrocarbon molecules, a little bit like this. So that would be extremely long, and obviously it will heat up, just about heat up, so it can move and go and just condense in this bottom part here. So I hope this video wasn't good for you. If you're still a little bit unsure, I'd recommend going to BBC Bite Size. Obviously, if you like my YouTube channel, please do give me a like, or maybe even subscribe. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.